Okay, so today I am going to show you guys how to make a for loop in Matlab. But first, before I start, I just want to explain what a for loop is. So essentially, it is a loop of whatever code you're going to be. So whatever you want to run, it's going to run that for however many times you designate it to run for. Um, so you guys will kind of get it as we go through it. You'll understand it better. Um, so first things first, you want to go to the top of the Home tab, and you're going to click New Script. So once that opens, it's entitled Untitled 3. Um, and to just make a for loop, it's pretty simple. So you just type for, and then however long you want it to be. So say you want it to run for 5 times. So then you say I is equal to 1 colon 5, which means it's going to run from time 1 to 5. And then you tab down, and I'm just going to type end because I always forget to do that. And so it's nice if I just get it done now. So you run that, and let's say every time, let's just make a simple code. So every time it runs through the loop, you want to add 1 to a number. So to do this, it's going to be pretty easy. All you do is you say x is equal to x and then plus 1. So every time it goes through, it's going to add a number to x. But before this can work, because right now if we just ran this, so if I just hit Command Enter, if I run this, actually, yeah, it's just going to error out because there's an undefined variable for x. So before that, we have to define what x is. So I'm just going to say x is equal to 0. So now MATLAB knows exactly what x is before it runs through the loop. So if you guys think about this, x is going to be added 1 after the first run, and then every time after that, you're going to add another one. So it should be x is equal to 5 at the end of this loop. So if we run it, we just hit Command Enter, let it run, and see the last x right here is x is equal to 5. And then if you look over in your workspace, you have x is equal to 5 here. So that's essentially what the for loop does. It's pretty simple, pretty basic, not bad, not too hard to learn. I hope you guys understand this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will try and get back to you guys. Thank you so much.